Hi there. In this unit, we will learn how to install MariaDB. The latest packages or installers are available at MariaDB official website. Download software based on your system specification. Now, in our course, we will learn queries using XAMPP server package. XAMPP is a software distribution which has Apache web server software, MariaDB, and other service modules. I hope you are hearing XAMPP for the first time. The reason why we are using MariaDB in XAMPP server is that XAMPP server package has inbuilt user interface to work out queries. These interfaces known as PHP MyAdmin. Hence, beginners will find it easy. First, download software XAMPP from Apache Friends. Next, install software based on your operating system specification. Now, search for XAMPP control panel after installing XAMPP software. Here, start two services, which are Apache and MySQL. Next, open any web browser. Navigate to localhost. Here, you will be redirected to Apache dashboard. Further, navigate to PHP MyAdmin. Now you will have a user interface from where we can manage database operations. Next, check for database engine. Make sure it is MariaDB. Also, check for PHP MyAdmin version. Make sure they are 4.7 or above. Now, if version installed is less than 4.7, go to PHP MyAdmin official site and download latest software. Once you have downloaded zip version, extract files and copy downloaded files. Next, paste them inside PHP MyAdmin folder created from previous installation of XAMPP software. Here we have default location of PHP MyAdmin folder at XAMPP folder inside C drive. Remember, before you paste downloaded files, you should keep config.php file from previous version of PHP MyAdmin. Now, once you have pasted new downloaded files, paste previously copied config file to current location. Thus, we have successfully learned how to install MariaDB. If you have any questions, please post them at forum. Thank you.